boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a great collaboration here with KSI and Billie Eilish. This one is called Dirty. All right, so I love that dirty sound, darker sound to this song, and it's a bit reminiscent of James Bond-ish theme songs. So it goes in that direction. Beautiful song and fits guitar very well. So let's dive into this one. And we're going to do that with capo sets on the second fret. That's the best setup, absolutely. And yeah, with that, we have a couple chords to go over. Let's start with those. And it goes in A minor, so that will be the first chord, starting with, so open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's the A minor. We then have the F chord, okay? So normally it's a bar. You place your index finger on the first fret and you cover all strings there. You can do that as well if you want to, but I will actually just go with the bass notes. I want the notes to be open down there, and that will follow us through this song. So I will go with that version. So the grip looks like the F chord, like this, but it's not a bar. It's just on the first fret E string. Then it continues with the added notes. You have to have that. So that will be third fret on A, third on D, and second on G. Okay. Then we have the D F chord. So that's a bar on the second fret, and you push down 3 strings if you count from E, B, and G. You can also add, if you want to, the second fret D string if you want to, but it's not necessary because we will have that covered with 4th fret on D here. You need to add that one as well, and 3rd on B. So that is how the D F chord looks like. So that gives us 4th on D, 2nd on G, 3rd on B, and 2nd on E. The next chord will be a G sharp chord, basically a G sharp dim version of it. So what you do here is to play 4th fret on E string, and with that finger you'll lean that on top of the next, which will be A string. You'll lean that on top of it so it gets muted, and then you continue with open D, then 4th G, 5th B, and open E. Okay, that's the G sharp. Then comes the G6 chord, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, and there we have all the chords. We have just one final left, and that will be the E chord. And that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So we got some chords to work with, and we have this main string pattern that goes down, down, clap, down. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, one round will be, okay? So down, down, clap, down will be one string around. A couple rounds goes like this. Okay, so there we have it. Now let's go into the actual song, and we're gonna start with the intro, and we're just gonna neglect the strumming right now. We will have just 2 downs per chord, and the chord progression will be A minor, then F, and the D F chord. You're gonna do that for almost 2 full rounds, because the second round will be A minor and F. You stop there. You're gonna play just 2 downs per chord, so like this. And the pause, and then again, second round, A minor, and then F. Okay, and it stops there, and then the actual song starts with the first verse. So, with the first verse, we're gonna start the strumming now, and the chord progression will be A minor, 1 string around, then the G sharp, 1 string around, then the G6, 1, and the D F, 1. You're gonna do that chord progression of 2 rounds. So, A minor, G sharp, G, and D F. Then comes the pre-chorus. The first one in the lyrics starts on the inside. So what you're gonna play now is E, 1 string around, F, 1 string around, and G6, 2. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. So E, F, G. Again. All right, that's the pre-chorus, and now into the first chorus. You're gonna have the same chords as you started in the intro. You have now the A minor, 1 string around, F, 1 string around, and D, F, 2 string arounds. So it goes. Again. I played 4 rounds of that chord progression, and that's what you're going to do as well, and that will be the first chorus. Now, into the second round of everything, now it's pretty much repetition. The second verse, the second pre-chorus, and even the second chorus will play in the same way. So no changes here. And after the second chorus, you're going to fall back to the third pre-chorus. And that is played again in the same way as the previous pre-choruses, no changes there. And after that third pre-chorus, we have the outro part left. And guess what? You're gonna end in the same way as you started the song with the intro play. So you had A minor, 2 downs, F, 2 downs, and D, F, 2 downs. A pause, and you do that for a final second round. And that wraps it up for KSI's and Billie Eilish song called Dirty. All right, great song. Give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then show me some love back. Subscribe to this channel, like this tutorial, and let's move on forward together. Till next time, play tuned.